Yeah, I could go on and on and on. I like that. I like that. You guys haven't got a capo yet? Get a capo. I've been playing around with it capoed on the first, putting us into E. And this song and the next song are both capoed. I don't know, it's kind of like a different instrument when you do that, you know? You have to come up with new ways of doing chords. Like, we're gonna do a chord in here, which is with the capo on, we're gonna go open, 2, 4. That's D, or not D, an A. Your D, you're gonna be playing 4, 3, 2, and 4, 3, 4. A B is gonna be 2, open 5, which is a stretch, but I'll give you a cheat you don't have to do if you can't reach it. So don't worry about it. But yeah, and then your B, which is 2, open 2, with the capo on, of course. Like I said, everything when I do a capo is going to be relative to it being open. If I'm calling out a 2, it means a 2 without the capo. It's just easier that way because you don't have to. You get to a certain point, if you know it's 2, you can go to 2 without looking. If you got a capo on and you're going relative from the capo, and 2 now becomes 3, now you got to think, it's like, you know what, no, let's just do it the other way. Okay, so that's my rant about the capo. Okay, so the intro. The intro is not quite the same as the song, but we're playing on a Merlin, so it doesn't have to be the same. This is the Merlin version of Painted Black. And I gotta say, I really try my hardest. If a video has been done, if somebody has done a song, I will go out my ways not to do it. Unless I can add something to it, unless it's a different version, unless it's... I don't like doing something that somebody's already done. I don't know. It's just, I don't like doing it. Somebody's already figured it out. It's already been done. But this one and the next song both have been done before. This one was done by CC, and the next one was done by Ant. But they're both completely different ways of playing them. So I don't mind. Okay. So like I said, the intro is not the same as what you would hear normally, but it's close enough that you could fool people. Let's go with that. So, open, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, open, go into your B. Open. Third, on your second string, you gotta bend up. If you don't bend it, it's not right. So that's how I do from the intro. I do it twice. That's all downstrokes. And then when I do the verse, it's exactly the same thing, except you're speeding it up. And your picking is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It just keeps going up and down. So that's pretty straightforward. It's just you climb down and you climb back up. You would think the melody line would be harder than the chorus, because the chorus is straight chords. But there's new chords in here, so it might be a little bit harder, and there's some stretching you gotta do, even though I'll show you a cheat if you can't do it. If you can do it, do it. I don't know, there's something about chords that I prefer as many open or close to the headstock as possible fingering. The higher you go up, the shorter the string, the less it vibrates. I just don't like the sound, right? it rings better if you have lower, if you're noted lower, in my opinion. So I like doing that more than doing the chords up here. Okay, so the chorus. So E, which with the capo on is going to be open, open, open. Your D, which is going to be 3, 2, or sorry, 4, 3, 2. Your G, 3, 3, 3. Next E, you're going to be doing 4, 3, 4. And then you're going to do an A, or sorry, an E, but you're going to be fretting on the 6th fret. 1 back, 5th fret, and then you back up. So that's the first part. Second part starts the same. E, D, G. Then you're going back to the first D. Instead of going up 4, 3, 4, you're going to be doing 4, 3, 2. So, and then you're going to do that new A chord, open, 2, 4. And then your B chord, which is going to be 2, open, 5. So the second part. So the whole reason we go back to that first D instead of doing that D here, because if you do that D here, it sounds too close to the A. So that's why we go instead of, it's just the transition is better. So let's do both parts together. Okay, now for some of you guys that don't have the reach to hit that chord, just do A here and the D or the B here. It works. You know, there's nothing that I won't say. It does work. I just prefer the voicing of the other one. But if you can't reach, just use your bar chords. Alright, so. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. That's it. That's the whole song. There's nothing else to it. That right there, that was concert, big finish. That's all I got for that one. It basically does, you do your intro, then you do the twice, and then you do the chorus once, verse twice, chorus once, back and forth. It just keeps doing it over and over again. That's pretty much the whole song, unless I'm missing the bridge. But I did look and I didn't see a bridge. So I say no bridge. If there is a bridge, it's probably a crappy bridge like all other bridges out there, so you don't need to learn it. Alright, practice patience, have fun, and we'll see you guys next time.